Question number 8 of the PhilNITS FE afternoon portion of the exam. We are now in blank D, and for this particular blank, we have to remember that we are working on a Java program, and the Java program is supposed to handle academic admin type of work where you got courses and you register students to those courses and also upload student grades. This question isn't supposed to be super difficult. I was able to answer it a while ago, and I did choose letter C. And we do know that for a hash map, we need to put in two objects. In this case, where we're using a string and a course. And the other thing that we need to know, other than the answer, is how I was able to arrive with the correct answer. And the way I did this was to first look at the other portions of the code where it seems that the course's hash map is used. If you look at this part of the code where you got the add course, notice that you also have another variable named course. But the thing is, what we're going for would be the one with the S. Okay, so just to take note of that. And if you look at what courses is doing, and because it's a hash map, you can use the put method, and then we got here two inputs for the parameters. And the way to know what would be the correct answer for letter D is to find out what these parameters are supposed to be. And if you look at the course here, well, we can find quickly that it's a course object, right? So that should answer this part of the answer. And we know that we need to get a pair. And so the next one would be the course that get code. What would be the type of the return value? If you get code like this, use the method get code, what it's going to give you. And so to do that, we have to look at the method in another portion of the code. For example, in program 1, where you can find that the course class has a method called getCode and returns code, which is a string. And if you look at also this part, a code here, and it's also string. Therefore, the getCode is going to give us a string that we're going to use for our input in the parameter. So what would be the two objects that we will be using for the courses hash map? That would be string from the get code and the course from the course. That is the object that we are passing it from a while ago. So again, the correct answer in this case is letter C.